Welcome! In this quick guide, I'll show exactly how to turn on notifications for trending places on the Instagram app when using your PC. If you want to stay updated on popular spots, events, and locations people are talking about, this setting is definitely worth enabling. Let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open the Instagram app on your PC. Once it loads, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see the three-line menu icon there. Click on it to open up more options. From the menu that appears, find and click on Settings. This will take you to a page where you can control your account preferences and app behavior. Next, look for the Notifications section and click on it. Inside Notifications, you'll see several options related to how Instagram alerts you. What you want to do here is select Push Notifications. Now you'll be taken to a list of different notification categories. Scroll through until you find Trending Places. This is the option that controls alerts about popular locations and places that are currently getting attention on Instagram. Once you find it, simply select the option labeled On. This ensures that Instagram will notify you whenever there are trending places you might be interested in. And that's it. You've successfully enabled notifications for trending places on Instagram using your PC. With this setting turned on, you'll always be in the loop about what's popular nearby or around the world. It's a great way to discover new spots, plan outings, or just stay updated with what's trending in real time. Give it a try and see how it enhances your Instagram experience.